Pag ikaw dinuraan. Sabi niya, hindi ko ito makakalimutan. Kapag na-feel harm daw siya, it will spit really, really, really smelly na saliva at you. Ayun siya. So food is just around 50 pesos. So 1,001 lang siya. And then you get a cup of feed or pellets for the alpacas. Wait, no. Sit. Ayan, Lixen, my best friend na siya. Hi, what's my food? Ay, pati, wala, ubos na? Ay,
Nahulog ng inain ng
oh, pellets! Whose fault? Nawala ng pagkain?
Ano?
Huh? Ayan na yung barista! Alpaca barista. Wala daw masyadong alpacas here in the fences. Usually, you need to take a big hike up and we're like, so we'll stick to 2-3 alpacas right here at the bottom and enjoy ourselves. Yun nga, may point si Angeline pagdating dito. Kapag marami sila, dudumugin ka nila habang may pagkain ka. So 2 is safe. Parang okay na. Kinuha pa nga yung cup ni Angeline eh. So, medyo scary pa pala ang 2. So you have the aggressive alpaca. Yan yung butt niya. Tapos ayan yung predator. Yung barista niya na, what are you doing? Sen wants to be an alpaca too. So wala na sila pake kasi wala nang pagkain. Grabe sila. Aggressive alpaca. No, not the cup. No, not the cup. Pag ikaw dinuraan. Tatawanan ka namin. Update! May nakakatawa nangyari. Hindi ko lang kung nakakatawa siya or nakakaawa eh. Pero sinabihan kami ng tour guide na, don't touch the alpaca's head. Yeah, you didn't touch the head. I'm explaining what the tour guide said. Touch the neck and yung body lang daw. Kasi kapag nagalit siya, isa lang yung mode of attack nila, which is spit on you. Tapos yung spit nila, sobrang baho daw. Tapos, ito, yung katabi ko to, ano eh?
Kinakausap ko lang siya. Sabi niya,
wala ka na daw kasing pagkain. Wala na siyang pagkain. Ubus na. Tapos, aggressive kasi yung kausap niya. Tapos, niloloko pa ni Lixen. What happened to you, Besh?
sabi niya,
Literally, gano'n yung sound niya. Pagtingin namin kay Sen, puro greens na yung jacket niya. At least, na-experience ko na, at nakita ko na, na-witness ko na personally paano mag-attack ang alpaca. Eh, nag-alcohol na kasi mabaho. Pero okay na yan. It's gone naman. Ayan o. Clean. Wala na amoy. Noong una, meron talaga. Tapos kitang-kita mo lahat ng leaves. Parang gumawa ko ng mud ball na maraming leaves, tapos pinapon ko sa kanya. Oh, by the way, hike na naman pala siya. Sabi kasi ng tour guide na parang, akit kami kasi cute daw.
Ano to?
Parrots.
You wanna see parrots? Hindi naman siya magsispit. Yes?
Hindi daw.
Okay,
They poop though.
Why?
Okay, ito yung warning. Don't catch by force and follow them. When you pass under the ropes, the poop may fall. If you step on the birds, you must talk to the zookeeper. How in the fudge will we step on the birds? Oh my god, watch your steps in order not to step on the birds. What? So, nasa floor yung birds? Oh. Makes sense. Yan yung bird. Yan yung bird na nasa floor. You're so cute! Oh my god! Hello! Wanna get my phone? My phone's delicious. Food! They have food din pala. Hello! You look really bad on your ID picture. Oh my god, the door is open!
When they open it.
The door is open! Close the door, please. Why? Oh my god, you're so cute! You're so cute! I wanna touch you, baby! What? Hi! I'm don't have food. I don't want to touch your face. I want to touch your back. But you're so dirty. But you're so dirty. Can I touch somebody else? I want a baby. Baby, come here. That's wrong. That's so wrong. What? Baby, come here. Baby. No, not you, goat. Not you. Baby. No. No, don't smell me. Oh no, are you preparing your spit? Oh no, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I think it's gonna be a powerful spit. Ngayon ba ako? Oh, my tissue scent! I'm not a fan of alpacas anymore. Marami ba? Marami ba? Twice pa siya nag-spit. I didn't have food, but that's not my problem.
Parang puro dahon na lang.
Yun yung kinakain nila, kaya yun natuturan nila. Do I smell like quicksand?
Grabe.
Joke lang. Actually, alcohol na talaga naamoy ko sa'yo.
Hindi na amoy ko.
Wala meron sa harap? Legit? Ang layo
Pero yung
ko
pangalawa,
kaya.
pero yung pangalawa mas malakas.
Parang alam niya na parang, kulang, more spit!
Pambuelo.
Kanina.
Good ka ba nun?
Oo! Kasi patakbo na ako sa side. Like, patakbo na ako sa side. So, ang natamaan sa akin, yung left side ko lang na palikod. Ano na feel ko? I'm offended! I just wanna touch the baby alpaca. Tapos yung dalawang malaki yung nag-aaway sa akin. Nakiya. Ay, si Sen nga, binigyan niya yung alpaca na food. Tapos naubos sa akin.
Inasar niya eh.
Okay, inasar ko ba kay alpaca? Oh well, at least slightly more memorable na siya compared sa kaninang na-spit si Sen. Na-experience ko na rin. Nakiya, hindi ko ito makakalimutan.